Are you looking for the best angle grinders in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best angle grinders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max Angle Grinder Tool. If you find yourself using an angle grinder fairly regularly, then it makes sense to invest in this top-of-the-line cordless model from DeWalt. This 4.5-inch angle grinder boasts a max speed of 8,000 revolutions per minute for grinding through grout or cutting through metal faster. It also comes with useful features that protect both you and the tool, including a kickback brake that automatically engages when the blade binds up or pinches in material. Its over-molded ergonomic grip, a feature DeWalt's power tools are known for, makes it comfortable to hold over long cutting or grinding jobs. It's on the pricey side, but if you want a nimble yet powerful angle grinder, this is the one. Up next in the 4th place is the Porter Cable Angle Grinder. With its 7.5 amp output, Porter Cable's 4.5-inch angle grinder is a greater light-duty corded option. It produces 10,000 revolutions per minute, ample power for cutting through masonry or metal pipe, as well as other projects around the house. It also has 3 different handle positions that make it easier to hold at a variety of angles. At just 3.5 pounds, it's one of the lighter angle grinders you'll find. It lacks some of the additional features you'll find on other angle grinders, such as auto shutoff and a fast brake. But it also costs about half the price of angle grinders with those bells and whistles. The 3rd product on our list is the Kobalt 5-inch 24-volt cordless angle grinder. Kobalt, the in-house tool brand for Lowe's, has made a name for itself by packing tremendous power into its cordless power tools. Where other cordless angle grinders have 18-volt motors, Kobalt puts a 24-volt brushless motor in its angle grinder. The result produces loads of power to the tune of 8,500 revolutions per minute with a large 5-inch wheel. The Kobalt angle grinder comes with a long paddle trigger for increased safety and an auxiliary handle that's mountable in multiple places and easy to operate. You also get 6 blades in this kit, a far larger set of starter wheels than most offer. It's a powerful cordless angle grinder at a surprisingly affordable price. Second on our list is the Craftsman 4.5 and 7.5 amps corded angle grinder. If you only need to occasionally sharpen a blade, there's no need to spend hundreds on a top-of-the-line angle grinder. This 4.5-inch corded model offers ample power at a much lower price point. With its 7.5 amp motor, it reaches speeds of up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, plenty of juice for any angle grinding job. Its paddle-style switch cuts off the blade should you lose your grip on it. Change its wheel in a flash thanks to its tool-free wheel adjustment. The Craftsman lacks overload protection, a feature you'll find on pricier angle grinders. That said, if you only need an angle grinder every so often, this value option gets the job done. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt 4.5 and 11 amps angle grinder. This 4.5-inch angle grinder from one of the top brands in power tools offers exceptional cutting performance. With its 11 amp motor, it cuts at a top speed of 11,000 revolutions per minute, more than enough to grind through stone or sheet metal. A rounded handle and large lever-style trigger make it easy to hold the tool at various angles. It also has tool-free wheel changes, and it works with both 4.5 and 5-inch wheels, the latter when used without a guard. While it lacks variable speed control, this angle grinder keeps the motor safe should the wheel get bogged down while cutting. If you don't mind the cord, it's a reasonably priced angle grinder with excellent power and the build quality that comes with a premium tool brand. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.